Hola clase, soy señorita Semeca. Hoy es miércoles el 27 de mayo. Today we're going to be doing a listening comprehension on Mi Restaurante Favorito. Before we begin, I just want to go over some of the listening strategies that we went over last time we did this. Okay, keep in mind that you do not have to answer the questions the first time that you hear it. Focus on what you do know, not what you don't understand. Remember, you guys are not going to know every word that you hear. This is a beginner levels course. So of course, there are going to be some words that you don't know. So let's not focus on those at all. Be aware for distractors, information you don't need to answer the question. Okay, these will always be in every listening passage that you hear. You're not going to need every sentence that you hear. Read the questions first so you know what to look for. Take notes. Okay, anytime we've done this in class, there's always been a little section where you guys can take notes. And eliminate all distractions if possible to fully concentrate on your listening. So go to a nice quiet space where you live and try to focus as much as you possibly can. And then, of course, be confident, okay? I know this is your first time taking this language, but you guys know more than you think you do. All right, so like I said, this is a listening comprehension on Mi Restaurante Favorito. You guys will have two sections for this listening. You will have part A and B to answer. So the first part A, 1 through 4, you're going to be answering with cierto, which means true, or falso, which means false, based on the story that I'm going to read you. And you guys know at this point that for each listening, I read it 2 times. Part B, you guys are going to be answering the questions in Spanish in complete sentences. Okay, so the rule of thumb, which you've known throughout the year, is if the questions are in Spanish, we're going to answer them in complete Spanish sentences. If the questions are in English, you can answer in complete English sentences. Okay, so we are going to begin with the first time that I'm going to read the passage. I'll give you guys about 10-15 seconds in between, and then I will go into the second time that I read the passage. Very good. Muy bien. Entonces, vamos. The passage is Mi Restaurante Favorito. Hola, mi nombre es Luis y tengo 14 años. Mi restaurante favorito es Friendly's. Me encanta ir al restaurante con mi familia cada fin de semana. En el restaurante me gusta comer un sándwich de pollo con lechuga y tomate. No me gusta cebollas. Me gusta beber jugo de manzana. No me gusta tomar jugo de naranja. Para el postre, yo prefiero comer helado de chocolate. ¿Cuál es tu restaurante favorito? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? Adiós, amigos. Okay, so that was the first time. I'm going to read the passage again. Hola, mi nombre es Luis y yo tengo 14 años. Mi restaurante favorito es Friendly's. Me encanta ir al restaurante con mi familia cada fin de semana. En el restaurante me gusta comer un sándwich de pollo con lechuga y tomate. No me gusta cebollas. Me gusta beber jugo de manzana. No me gusta tomar jugo de naranja. Para el postre, yo prefiero comer helado de chocolate. ¿Cuál es tu restaurante favorito? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? Adiós, amigos. Okay, so that is the end of the listening comprehension. First part, you're going to answer with cierto, true, or falso, based on the passage you just heard. And then you will answer the questions for part B in complete Spanish sentences. Please note that number 3 and 4, número 3 y 4, those two questions are about yourself. So you're going to answer ¿cuál es tu restaurante favorito? I'm sorry. Número 4 y 5, ¿cuál es tu restaurante favorito y cuál es tu comida favorita? So correction, it is número 4 y 5. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, you need any help, you know that you can send me a message directly through Canvas, or you can send me an email, or you can contact me through Remind. Okay, entonces, adiós y que tenga un buen día. Adiós.